you are good. Today we can draw a fishbowl and a cloud raining above it. We're gonna start with the cloud. Smiley face. And 4 drops. It's time for the fishbowl. It's just a half circle. Curved line from this point to the other. Let's close the other side from the fishbowl. For the water, stretchy oval. Three bubbles. Fish gonna be oval. We're gonna add just one eye. We're going to draw the fin and a little tail. The base. A curved line for the sand. A small stones. A mini plant. And a long one. Leaves gonna be small ovals. And another one. Let's start painting. It's gonna be better if you add 2 more plants. Let's continue painting. We're done now. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next video. Follow Pinky Winky to see all my videos. Goodbye.